Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 5, and y equals 2. The second point has x equals -20, and y equals 3.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 5 to x equals -20, the run is -25. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 2 to y equals 3, the rise is 1.
Slope is rise divided by run, 1 over -25, which simplifies to -1 over 25. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is -1 over 25, x1 is 5, and y1 is 2.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.